right at the mouth, the opening of our bay. It'll be anchored to the ocean floor. And with it, along that tether that's connected down to that anchor, is all of these sensors that are painted blue. And it helps kind of tell the story of the bay. So there's salinity, so saltiness of the ocean. There is also temperature, so we can decipher how cold or how warm the water is getting at different depths. It also can detect the current, so how fast the current's moving, what direction. And then up above we have wind, direction and speed, humidity, also temperature, and so much more as well. A lot of it, a lot of it is used daily, the data that we get. So a lot of the fishermen around here will ping into it and see about an hour off of how the weather is going before they go out on their ships to fish. A lot of other researchers will use the data as well to be able to tell their story of whatever data they had collected. It kind of helps just put all these different pieces of equipment, all of their data collection, it helps to put it into a nicer story to understand how the bay works.
What are these round stuff on the bottom?
Yeah, so that creates a Doppler effect using like little pinging noises, and it helps us to detect the current. So that's the one where the pinging noises will come down and it'll bounce off something, and it'll help to decipher what way the water is moving and how fast it moves.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you can go down.
Yeah, so that goes down about 10 meters after that. So the pinging noises will reach about 10 meters down.